When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, one of the most important steps you can take is ensuring that your windows are properly installed. For homeowners in Dallas, where temperatures can soar during the summer and dip in the winter, energy-efficient windows are crucial in keeping your home comfortable year-round. But it's not just about the windows themselves. How well they are installed is equally important. Let's dive into why quality window installation plays such a significant role in optimizing energy efficiency. The impact of Dallas climate on your home. Dallas is known for its extreme weather. Summers can be blistering hot, with temperatures reaching over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, while winters can bring unexpected cold snaps. This climate means that homes in the area need to be well insulated and energy efficient to handle both the heat and the cold. Windows are one of the main points where energy is lost in a home. If they aren't installed correctly, even the best quality windows won't perform as they should. In fact, improper installation can lead to drafts, higher utility bills, and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. The role of window installation in energy efficiency. The proper window installation ensures that your windows are sealed tightly, preventing air leaks. These leaks are often the culprit when it comes to wasted energy. Even a small gap in a window can cause conditioned air, heated or cooled, to escape, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain the temperature inside your home. This not only results in higher energy bills, but it also places unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling systems, potentially shortening their lifespan. A high-quality installation can also improve the overall performance of the windows themselves. For example, energy-efficient windows are typically designed with features like double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and gas fills between the panes to reduce heat transfer. However, if these windows aren't installed correctly, they may not achieve their full potential. Proper installation ensures that the window frame is square, the panes are sealed, and the edges are properly caulked, all of which are essential to maintaining the energy efficiency of your windows. How quality installation enhances comfort. While energy savings are one of the primary benefits of quality window installation, comfort is another key factor. A well-installed window can help maintain a stable temperature inside your home by blocking drafts and regulating the internal climate. During the summer, it keeps hot air out, and during the winter, it keeps the cold air at bay. Properly installed windows help reduce hot and cold spots within your home, ensuring that every room feels comfortable regardless of the weather outside. In addition, high-quality windows with good insulation can significantly reduce outdoor noise. If you live in a busy area or near a highway, quality window installation can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This is another comfort benefit that many homeowners overlook when focusing solely on energy efficiency. The financial benefits of quality window installation. While the initial cost of window installation can be significant, it is important to view it as an investment in your home's long-term energy savings. With Dallas soaring utility rates, ensuring that your windows are properly installed can result in substantial savings on your monthly bills. Over time, these savings will likely outweigh the upfront costs. Furthermore, If you ever decide to sell your home, energy-efficient windows and a quality installation can increase your property's resale value, making it a wise investment from both a financial and a functional standpoint. Choosing the right professionals for installation. When it comes to ensuring the energy efficiency of your windows, it's crucial to hire professionals who specialize in window installation. Experienced installers understand the nuances of the job, from proper sealing techniques to ensuring that the window frame is aligned correctly. Choosing a trusted, licensed contractor in Dallas can give you peace of mind that your installation will be done right, protecting both your investment and your home's energy efficiency. In conclusion, quality window installation in Dallas is essential for optimizing energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable, and reducing your utility costs. By selecting the right windows and ensuring they are installed by skilled professionals, you are not only improving your home's insulation but also making a smart long-term investment. Don't underestimate the impact of proper window installation. Your energy bills and indoor comfort will thank you for it.